it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Go, get, go. But don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes.
When you stop, you use this part of the palm of your hand, like this. Then you go to D chord and you use the strum that we already know, that is down, down, up, down. 2 times. And then you go back to A and you use the same strum. 2 times. Then you go to E and you strum just once. Then you go to D once. And then you go to A, down, up, down, down, stop.
Well, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Go, get, go. But don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. You can knock me down, slap in my face, slander my name all over the place. Do anything that you want to do, but honey, just step on blue suede shoes. Lay off of my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. I've had a man from Texarkana, hit him all. Feels bad.